Hey, it's Christian with Auto Academy with another quick tech tip. Always make sure to utilize your battery and charging system tool before beginning a diagnostic test. This 1995 GMC Sierra 1500 was brought in with a concern, the customer believing that they need a transmission. They limped it in at about 5 miles an hour. Said the day before it drove fine, no problem, and when they started up the next morning, vehicle had no power and it couldn't accelerate very quickly. So before we began the diagnostic process, pulled out the transmission dipstick. The fluid was cleaned and smelled burned. So I figured, let me check the battery and the charging system. So when I did that, battery tested as a marginal pass, but the charging system was only putting out 8 volts. So we let the customer know that, hey, we probably need to start by putting an alternator in the vehicle, make sure everything has correct voltage before proceeding with diagnostic. And what do you know? We put a brand new AC Delco alternator in, recharged the battery, performed a 25-mile test drive, and the vehicle drives like new. Again, nearly everything, whether it's a car from 95 to 2025, is voltage controlled in all these vehicles. And if you have incorrect voltage or a weak battery, the vehicle is going to do all sorts of weird things. So policy in our shop, as a part of our basic safety inspection on every vehicle that comes in, we always check the battery. But whenever doing a diagnostic, I would also check the charging system. If you add checking the battery to your basic safety inspection, chances are you can catch faulty or failing charging systems as well when you start seeing things like marginal pass or batteries at odd voltages that aren't in the 12 to 13 volt range. This has been Christian with Auto Academy with another quick tech tip.